Right. I think our next presenter is here. I know we're running a little bit on behind time here, but our next presenter is Hyun Lee from Celanese Micromax, and he's a senior R&D scientist. And Mr. Lee's presentation is on designing inkjet and nozzle dispensable conductive dielectric dielectric inks for electronic applications. And with no further ado, the floor is all yours, Mr. Lee.
Thank you very much for introduction. So here's the agenda for my presentation today. So let me first introduce our Micromax printed electronics product portfolio. And then I'm gonna compare 3 different type of additive printing technologies. And then I will discuss our ink constituents and their key functions. And then last 2 part, I'm gonna introduce our inkjet printable nano silver ink, P410, and its applications. Finally, nozzle dispensable inks, our HT series ink, high temperature series ink, and their applications. So we offer, our Micromax business offer broadest range of printed electronics product portfolio, including low temperature applications to high temperature application, which gonna be printed on, can be printed on variety of substrate on different type of applications. So examples include on stretchable ink printed on polyurethane substrate, as you can see on the left bottom picture. In the middle, the picture is showing our in-mold electronics ink printed on polycarbonate substrate, and then thermoformed into 3-dimensional shape for 3D touch sense applications. And then on the right, it's showing our high temperature printed printable ink printed on Kapton RS substrate for heater applications. This slide is showing our conductive silver paste portfolio. These silver products were designed for different type of applications on intended substrate, as shown here, with the key properties, targeted properties. And majority of these products were designed for screen printing method. But recently, we developed HT 802 for high temperature application for heater, and PE 800 series for low temperature applications, and ME 902 for conductive adhesive applications. Those can be printed by not only screen printing but also nozzle printing as well. And the last one is P410. That's our inkjet printable ink that contains a nano silver ink. I will discuss more details of this product later. So let me compare 3 different additive printing methods here. First one is screen printing. It's industry standard, allows high throughput, and it is a robust established printing method. Downside is contact substrate directly due to the nature of screen printing, and multiple screens are required for each electronic layer, and it creates mesh marks sometimes, creating rough surface. And line resolution of screen printing is around 200 micron. In case of inkjet, it's totally non-contact. It's ideal for fragile or touch-sensitive substrate. And digital, no screen fabrication is required. Then it can print a relatively high resolution down to 50 micron. And potentially low throw is possible. But high printing head cost and relatively low silver content could be an issue. The low silver content means the